Hello guys, I'm Karthik SP from SPC, and today my subject is cloud computing and the subject code is 21CS72 and my video assignment title is cloud security. So let's start. Cloud security is an emerging paradigm that offers on-demand network access to shared computing resources while it provides benefits like scalability and cost effectiveness. Cloud computing also introduces various security challenges. This paper examines key security issues in cloud environments and discussing existing techniques to address them, aiming to inform researchers and professionals about different security threats and proposed solutions. Introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing enables on-demand access to shared pools of configurable computing resources over the internet, offers scalability, flexibility, and availability of data while reducing costs through source sharing. However, it also raises concern about data security and privacy. Key issues including vendor lock-in, multi-tenancy, loss of control, service disruptions, and data loss. Definitions. NIST defines cloud computing as a model for enabling ubiquitous and convenient on-demand network access to shared computing resources. Benefits: scalability, flexibility, and availability, and cost reduction through resource sharing. Challenges: security issues include vendor lock-in, multi-tenancy, loss of control, and data protections. Multi-tenancy and elasticity. Multi-tenancy in cloud computing involves sharing computational resources among multiple users, which can lead to data confidentiality issues and risk of attacks. Elasticity allows users to scale resources up or down as needed, but this dynamic allocation can potentially compress data security when resources are reassigned between tenants. Multi-tenancy, such as elasticity, as well as shared resources among multiple users, dynamic scaling of resources, risk of data leakage and confidentiality breaches, potential security risk through resource allocations. Insider and outsider attacks. Cloud computing face threats from both insider and outsider attacks. Insider attacks originate within the organization and can be particularly dangerous due to privileged access. Outsider attacks exploit vulnerabilities in APIs and interfaces. While outsider attacks are more common, insider attacks are more harmful and difficult to detect. Insider attacks, from within the organization, potentially more harmful. Outsider attacks, external threats exploiting vulnerabilities in cloud interfaces. Security measurements, the implementing robust authentication and access controls. Data loss and network security. Data loss in cloud environment can result from an accidental deletion, lack or backups of malicious attacks. Network security threats include man in the middle attacks, distributed denial of services attacks, and port scanning. These vulnerabilities can compress data integrity and scalability, potentially leading to financial and reputational damage for organization. Data loss prevention. Implement regular backups and robust data recovery systems. Network security measures. Deploy firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption protocols. DDoS mitigations. Utilize traffic analysis and filtering techniques to prevent service disruptions. Security techniques for cloud computing. Various techniques are employed to enhance cloud security. These include strong authentication and management, data encryption, ensuring information integrity and privacy, and implementing security information management system. So next, service level agreements are crucial for maintaining availability and trust between providers and secure users. Authentication, multi-factor authentication, and identity management, encryption, data encryption at rest and in transit about robust algorithm, integrity checks, regular data integrity verification auditing process, SLS, clear argument on security responsibility, abilities, and secure levels. Solution for specific attack types. To encounter malware injections, so solution involving creating multiple clients, virtual machines, and utilizing file allocation and interrupt disruptables for integrated checking. For flood attacks, a fleet of server approach is used, distributing different types of requests across specialized server groups with a name server managing load balancing and state information. Malware injection preventions, virtual machine integrity checks, and centralized storage management. Flooding attacks, meditations, distributed server architecture with dynamic load balancing, continuous monitoring, real-time threats detection and response mechanisms. Cloud computing security standards. Several security standards and protocols are employed in cloud computing to ensure secure communication and data protection. These include security assertion, markup language, and for secure partner communications, open authentications for controlled data access, OpenID for single in or on capabilities, and SS bar TLS for secure network communication. These standards work together to create a multi-layered secured approach, adhering to the concept of defense in depth in cloud environments. So this is the end of this slide. Thank you. Have a nice day.